Prime Minister Narendra Modi has lauded Uttarakhand for its outstanding strides in development, noting that the state is leading in various domains. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said industrialist and philanthropist Ratan Tata's life reminds that true leadership is measured not just by one's achievements but by one's ability to care for the most vulnerable. National Legal Services Day is being observed across the country today. The day is primarily celebrated to promote legal awareness and ensure access to justice for all citizens, especially those from marginalized communities. Union Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari has stressed that road safety should be given the highest priority while constructing pathways in the country to prevent road accidents and consequent deaths. The government today said that the total paddy purchased till date in the current Kharif market season or KMS amounts to 27,995 crore rupees and has benefited around 6.58 lakh farmers.